Hey there, I'm Carolyn Wheeler of cdubsays.com, where we show you how to design the life you desire and give you the tools to empower you to take action on your dreams. Welcome back to Bullet Journaling 101. This series is the companion video to the articles I'm running on cdubsays.com, and I also have a free ebook for you available there too. Be sure to check out the links in the description box below. In previous videos, we covered everything you need to get started bullet journaling. In this, our final video of the series, we're going to talk about collections or custom collections. Collections are designed to organize and curate related information. As I mentioned in an earlier video, the core collections in every bullet journal are the index, the future log, the monthly log, and the daily log. But the beauty of the bullet journal system is that it's flexible enough for you to add additional custom collections that fit your life and what you want to focus on. Here are some examples. You can outline your goals and break them down into 1, 3, 5, or 10-year objectives. Then create actions or tasks that you can migrate to your future monthly and daily logs. You could create a gratitude list. Having a page dedicated to what you're grateful for is a wonderful way to get into a healthy mindset. You can set up a collection of books to read or TV shows that you want to watch someday. Are you interested in travel? Start keeping track of places you'd like to visit with a travel collection. Then take one of those destinations and build your own task list around it. Like when you're planning for your trip, you can list the items that you need to do or take care of in order to make your trip happen. If you're into house management, you can record home improvement projects or savings for a new home in your bullet journal. How about hobbies? List any hobbies you'd like to learn or spend more time doing. You can also create a custom collection to keep a record of any specific craft projects you're working on. Trackers are a different type of collection that can help you monitor behavior and keep you motivated as you work toward a goal. You can track spending, your mood, water intake, exercises, meals, whatever will help you build healthy routines and achieve your personal goals. I wanted to show you two different ways that you can handle doing habit trackers in your journals. The first way is through stickers, and then the second way is using this stencil from We Are Memory Keepers. So let me first show you stickers, because I know a lot of you may not be comfortable with drawing, and so you have options of stamping and stickers. But I like these stickers. I just found them. I am a Happy Planner user as well as a bullet journaler. What I tend to do is I use bullet journaling for my business work and then my Happy Planner for my regular work. And I'm going to do a series about planners in the future. But for right now, let's just stay on topic and talk about your bullet journal. But you can use these stickers, which are, supposed to be used for the Happy Planner, in your bullet journals. And I would say that the Happy Planner folks probably would not dispute that. I mean, they're multifunctional, but these are special because they are specifically made for tracking habits, and you get 295 stickers, and they have a variety of stickers, but pretty much have the same function of tracking your habit. So on this page, they have, like a half sticker with the days of the week and circles, and so you write your habit that you want to track here. Like say I want to do an hour of reading every night. So I would put that here in this space, and then for every day I accomplish the task, I just mark an X or a check mark when I complete it. I like these hexagon ones. Those are kind of neat looking. And again, you just write your habit here in this space and then mark off when you've completed it, and you get a variety of that. Here you have, again, yet another style of tracking, and more, just more different styles and ways to do it. And you, like I said, you can easily put these in your bullet journal if you're not comfortable drawing. And so, yeah, just go on. And then we have some motivational quotes, things like that. So that's pretty cool. The other tool I wanted to show you is this We Are Memory Keepers stencil/tool. It does a lot of things. In the previous videos, I showed you can use these to create bulleted lists, but you can also use this as a ruler to draw your straight edges, and if you want to have special corners for your boxes if you do a little bit more fancier bullet journal layouts. You can create banners with this. I'll show you in another video how to use all of the different pieces of this tool. But one thing that's pretty cool is this, I like spinning it, is this wheel, and you can create wheel charts. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a habit tracker using this wheel. Now this is going to be modified a bit because this pie has space for 12 things, and we're only going to need 7 days for the week because I only want to track sleep for the week as opposed to a whole month. So I'm going to do a modified version using this particular tracker. The tracker has holes here where you can create your concentric circles, and they also come in inches and centimeters. Now you can go from 8 centimeters to 3 centimeters or 3 inches to 1 inch and everything in between. So let's go ahead and start. I am going to use a pencil just so you can see how it works. But I'm really gonna, even though I've done this a couple of times, so I feel comfortable using a pen, but I just wanted to show you how you can use it with a pencil. So I'm using a pen. I'm going to go 2 ticks down from my original circle so I have enough room for days of the week. And because I've done this before, I know that I'm not going to go all the way around because I only need so many spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That'll put me about 7 from here to here. So I'm only going to go that far with my circles. And then from there, I'm just going to create additional concentric circles. Like I said, I'm only going halfway because I know how many I need. And finally the last one here. Okay. And now I'm going to use these slots here to draw, and I'm going to put my finger here in the middle so I won't move, to draw border lines. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And when I lift up, I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now I'm going to connect these lines. As you can see, there are endless possibilities for putting together custom collections for your bullet journal. Brainstorm and see what you can create. Don't forget to visit cdubsays.com to read articles on bullet journaling and to get your free Bullet Journaling 101 ebook. And be sure to check out my dot grid journals, perfect for bullet journaling, available on Amazon under CDub Says Journals. Once again, thanks for watching. Happy journaling.